Hello. So I got new tires fitted on the BMW. These are very nice. I got a 200 rear. These are Dunlop Alpha 14s. But today the video is not about the tire, it's about this. Yeah, I forgot to put this on when I fitted a new tire. Like, I bought it from the shop, but I forgot to bring this with me. So now I'm gonna have to remove the rear tire. Yeah, get that out, put this in. So I got the rear stand on. Just bought a new stand. This will lift the front up here. In order to lift the front wheel up, you like, there's a hole in between this hole right there. You need to undo this first. Undo this Torx bolt, which is a T30 if I could remember. T30. Move it to the side, then fit that metal rod in. Get yourself a T30 Torx bit T30 and loosen that bolt. Okay, now that the bolt comes out, you should be able to move this to the side, and these rods should fit inside that hole. The reason I have two of these is because I bought the stand off secondhand. I bought it off my buddy. So my buddy bent it. I tried to bend it back, but it cracked. Look at that. So the reason why he bent it is because actually what you're supposed to do is lift the rear wheel up first, then lift the front. What he tried to do, he tried to lift the front first before lifting the rear wheel. So he fit this in, he lifted up his bike, and it bent, and he dropped his bike on the side, which is terrible. So yeah, I had to make a new one. Take this rod and try to fit it inside the hole. Hang on. Yeah, so that fits. Then we can put it on the stand. Just put it on like so. This on. Yeah, and tighten this. This should be able to lift the front. So what I like to do is I like to remove the front fender, because I don't want to scratch it or break it or anything. And by the way, this is not carbon, it's just wrapped. So remove the fender, like 4 bolts, take it out. I'd rather be safe than sorry. And then what you need is this tool. So what you need is a 24mm Allen, but this tool is very nice. It has 24mm, 19, 22 and 17. So here, 24mm, fit right in, should fit right in. And that's for removing the spindle. Let's remove the front fender. It's a Torx bit, T25. Just it's just 4 bolts, 2 on this side, 2 on that side. Now that the fender is off, let's go grab a stand. Put this to the side. Here's the fender. Move this away. Move the bike back a bit. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, so make sure this is tight, then we can go. Okay, I got them in. Kind of bent that rod a bit, but this is what it should look like. That's a rod, this is the brake line. Move to the side. Whew, that was one hell of a workout. Wait, where is it? That's the brake line right there. Should be okay. So get the front wheel off. Loosen the pinch bolt on this side. Do not touch this side. Remove the brake caliper for both sides. Careful not to pinch the ABS. It's right here. Careful. The ABS mounts right here. That's where the ABS is. So careful not to pinch that. Should come out. Coming out slowly. Okay, so this should slide right out of the front. The axle should slide right out. So put it safely. And while you're here, inspect your bearings. See if there's any looseness in them. Bearings looks fine. Or you can give it a clean and apply some more bearing grease. Remember, the ABS side goes this way, this side. So yeah, that's the front remove. A bit of a workout because it's my first time doing it, but hey, I made it. Now, time for the rear. To loosen the rear, get yourself a 34mm socket. Place it in, loosen it. That's about it actually. Nothing much, it's much easier. Okay, with the axle bolt loose, loosen it, and you start like get a rubber mallet and hit it from this side instead. So yeah, I'll grab my mallet. Oh, my hands all dirty. Where are you? Mallets. Mallets. Ah, there you are. Hit it just like that. Okay, so this side should come out. There's a spacer, like a spacer in between. Careful not to lose them. Alright, so here, this will come out. So careful not to lose them. Put them in a safe space. So I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Talk to you guys later. Okay, so I got it out. Do not let the rotor touch the ground. So there's a spacer each side. Keep it safely. Don't lose them. That's my sprocket. For the rear caliper, just slides on this. Slide it out. Move your chain to the side. Oh, it's gonna scratch my swing arm up. I don't care. So move your like your chain to the side. Slide this out, and start pulling the wheel out. But pull it carefully. So we can put this back in. So look at that. That's where it slides. It goes right in. Yeah, leave it there first. Make sure do not grab the front brake or step on the rear brake, or you're gonna have a hard time, you know, pushing the piston back. Okay, so here's everything removed. All good. Don't touch that brake or that brake. I got everything in the car right now. The wheels and everything. Right inside there. There fits it. Works nicely. Makes pumping the bike much easier. That's the bike. And where's the front? There's the front right there. It comments the red really well. I like it. Yep. Not bad for 10 bucks. That's how much I paid from AliExpress. Yeah. Doesn't leak or anything. Doesn't leak at all. I think money well spent. Look how easy that is. Look, I don't have to move the wheel or anything. So just pop it up. Makes so much better. Normally with that old valve stem, I would have to move the wheel backward so I can angle it in. Now I don't have to do that anymore. For the front tire, it's harder to pump it up because you got the rotors and a disc in the way. With these valve stems, it's so easy. Just remove the cap, get your inflator, put it in, and just like that, you can do it. Yeah.